In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn crypto using Vesper Grow on Polygon. Vesper Grow uses tested strategies to safely earn more of an asset. Strategies undergo multiple independent audits and beta testing before going live. Polygon solves the problem of high gas fees by batching transactions together, leading to significant cost savings while still benefiting from the security of Ethereum. Launch the app from the Vesper website. Switch to the Polygon network in the Vesper app. Connect your wallet. Switch the network in MetaMask to Polygon by tapping Switch to Polygon. If you haven't set up Polygon in MetaMask, Vesper will do it for you. Tap Approve and tap Switch Network. The rate shown here is the average growth rate of the pool. The average growth rate is what you could expect to earn over 1 year if the growth rate over the past month was extrapolated over a full year. The rate shown here represents Vesper tokens that are being distributed to depositors. So you're not only growing your deposited token, you're also earning Vesper's native token. Select the pool you would like to deposit into and tap Deposit. The DAI balance in your wallet is shown here. Enter the amount of DAI you would like to deposit. If this is the first time you're depositing into the pool, you'll have to approve a permission transaction to allow Vesper to use your DAI. Toggling this to on means you won't have to approve this permission for subsequent deposits to this pool. Tap Deposit, tap Confirm. The second transaction is to approve the deposit of DAI to the pool. Tap Confirm, and your deposits are shown here. To withdraw your deposited tokens or to claim your distributed Vesper tokens, tap Manage. For withdrawal, enter an amount, click Withdraw, and approve the transaction. A withdrawal fee of 0.6% applies to all withdrawals. Making withdrawal will also automatically claim any Vesper tokens that you've been distributed. To claim your Vesper tokens without withdrawing your deposited tokens, tap the Manage button, tap the Claim tab, tap the Claim button, and confirm the transaction. That's it.